Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming system requirements and edition choices for your upgrade. Make sure your PC runs Windows 10 or Windows 11. Verify at least 4 GB of RAM and 4 GB of free disk space. Decide between Microsoft 365 subscription or a one-time Office 2019 or Office 2021 purchase. Check whether you need 32-bit or 64-bit installers for compatibility. Prepare a Microsoft account to buy, manage, and activate your new Office license. Before upgrading, back up your important files and settings to avoid data loss. Export Outlook PSD files, templates, and custom macros to an external drive or cloud storage. Note your Office 2010 product key and any account sign-in information for reference. Uninstall Office 2010 using Programs and Features or the official Microsoft uninstall tool. Reboot the computer after uninstall to clear locked files and prepare a clean install environment for the new Office. Sign in to your Microsoft account and download the correct Office installer for your purchase. Run the installer and follow prompts to choose 32-bit or 64-bit installation and install location. After installation finishes, sign in or enter the product key to activate Office. Use Microsoft Office update settings to download the latest patches and security updates immediately. Restore backed up PSD files, templates, and macros, and reconfigure Outlook, add-ins, and custom settings as needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.